If you're looking for the ultimate escape, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to deliver unparalleled quiet. These aren't just good. Their industry-leading noise cancellation truly silences the world around you, whether it's a bustling commute or a noisy office. Forget constant charging with an incredible 30-hour battery life. Perfect for long flights, intense work sessions, or just days on end without interruption. And the convenience doesn't stop there. Multi-point connection means you can effortlessly switch between your laptop and phone, never missing a beat. What truly sets the XM5 apart is this seamless integration of powerful performance with premium comfort and intuitive control. For anyone serious about immersive audio and distraction-free productivity, these are a game changer. Thinking about upgrading your audio experience? You can find the best deal on these fantastic headphones via the link in our description. They're an investment in peace, clarity, and superior sound quality that you'll appreciate every single day. If you want the best noise-canceling headphones for work, travel, or just enjoying your music, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are absolutely worth it. Seriously, if you're ready to transform your listening, click that Amazon link and experience the difference yourself.